pieces, 1 to 2 inch wide pieces, and they're going to be about an inch or so thick, right? And so we'll start with the tail. The tail, you're going to leave a little bit longer of a piece, maybe like a 3-inch piece, just because it's more narrow. There's less meat on it. So it's going to look a little bit more like this. But the rest of them are going to be about 2 inches to an inch. Right, and you just keep going up all the way to the head, and then you can keep the head too. Now, with these pieces, right, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to get right beneath the back here. You take that 5/0 circle hook, and you pierce it down. You push it through the back, and you break out on the other end. Right through the back there. There we go. Just like that. Right underneath the dorsal fin. It's got a good about 1/2 inch clearing right there. It's going to let you set the hook right on the fish, and it's still going to hold really well. So this is what we're going to be predominantly using today when we're out here trying to catch these bigger shark and bigger snook. They're going to be on our bigger rods, and then our smaller rods are going to have a mixture of these baits for under 2 foot fish so that we can get a good smackling of different species.